Model 2006 Vauxhall Vivaro ORIGINALSPORTIVE ET06ZLE 1.9 CDTI short wheelbase, 6-speed MOTED. Very nice. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 169,929. MOT, the 20th of June 2025. Engine, 1870 cc 1.9 DTI. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No crunching or whining from any of the gears. This starts and drives brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, full service history, 2 keys, electric windows.